everyone, today we're gonna work on a linked list question. Remove end node from the end of the list. Given the head of the linked list, remove the end node from the end of the list and return its head. So right now we do have 5 elements in the linked list, and then we want to add is 2. So you count it backward, 5, 4, 3. So you want to delete number 4, the second from the end. And how we're gonna achieve that? So we're gonna start using some of the technique from the linked list. So right here, if you can see, we wanna get rid of 5. So how we normally do that? In a nutshell, if you start going to the interview, you can say like, because we wanna delete it, what we normally do if we have a pointer is like A, we can move our next pointer. Normally our next pointer is 4, but because we skip it, so we're gonna do next, which means we jump over to 5. Okay, so that is one of the key point for this question. And how about the second one? And a lot of like linked list question, you need to be familiar with like two pointer technique, because that is how we would be able to monitor how one is fast pointer and slow pointer, so that until it reached the end of linked list. So we were gonna move over one by one until the fast pointer reached the end, and our slow pointer is right here. When the fast pointer reached the end, you know that we could stop our iteration, and our slow pointer using the technique that I showed you guys earlier, dot next, jump over to another element equal to next, dot next. Yeah, so we're gonna use that methodology. What is the HK that you feel our fast and slow pointer is missing? We have an edge case that we need to handle, and it is a special case for this. Why it's necessary we should use a dummy pointer. If you can see here, one slow and one fast. If we move the slow to the next, it will become known, and our fast also become known. However, the function won't work if they are both known, because we need to move the fast pointer more than 2 elements, right? So at this point, in order to stop confusing, we need to use a dummy node. So we initialize a dummy node right here. So I'm gonna initialize a slow and fast pointer as a dummy. And what is the next step? The next step, we will have our fast pointer move and +1 step. After it has moved, and both of them move 1 step at a time. Let's see how it works in action. We initialize the slow and the fast pointer at the same time, and we move the fast pointers 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And our slow pointer slowly move 1 step ahead until the fast pointer reach the node. Slow, fast. Look like we have like a turtle and a rabbit game. Fast, 1 more step. The fast would reach the node, and the slow pointer would reach the S. So from here, you would be able to use the technique that I showed earlier. I need to rewrite again so you can remember. So we have wanna slow dot next. So we wanna preference the next person. Let's say you are really bored of this X, you just wanna jump to another boat to meet a new person. So we're gonna do next. Thank you, next. That is how we jump over to 5 with get ready to 4. This is how it's gonna reference again. So that is the end of our result for this question. Hope you learned something from today. And what are we gonna return? At the end, we're gonna return a dummy dot next. So we can return the update head that we have. Okay, so I will move to the code base. We initialize our dummy data. This node. Our dummy.next will be equal to head because we want to reference to our number 1. Okay, so we're gonna have a fast pointer start at the dummy and a slow pointer start at the dummy as well. What is the first step? The first step is to move the fast pointer and plus 1 step. So for I in French, we want to move incremented 1 3 step. Next, after that we're gonna move both pointer until the last pointer reach the end. So y fast not done. Our fast and our slow pointer is moved incrementally too. After that, what we're gonna do is gonna slowly remove the node from the end using the technique earlier I showed you. Wanna get rid. Thank you, next. Finally, we're gonna return our dummy. What is the time complexity? Of n? Because we have a number of nodes in the linked list, we need to pass through the linked list with 2 pointers. We need to pass every single element in the linked list. What is the space complexity? We didn't create any extra space for this algorithm, so we use constant 1. We don't need to scale anything. It doesn't matter what is the input side. We only use the fixed numbers of the pointer as dummy, fast and slow. That's why the space complexity is all of 1. Okay, hope you learned something today. See you on the next class. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more Leetcode questions. Bye.